What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. And today we up early trying to get this car situated. As y'all already know, we already pretty much did everything, waiting on the computers and stuff to come back. I ended up going to Walmart this morning, going to pick up the transmission fluid. I think he got some oil and the power steering fluid and stuff like that. So now we just basically trying to get everything oiled up and see if we can fire it up and see what we got. So once he on his way back, he had to go pick up some stuff from the parts store. Then we'll end up seeing what we got. So I'll get back to y'all in 1 second. Alright, so I had to go back to the store, go get some more oil filter and all this other stuff. Hopefully we get some stuff going on right now. Walking back in there.
Tony! They say Tony. Don't be wired showing all the wires there. Well, you like recording that shit looking ugly.
Got to.
You get off my nerves.
Yeah, it's a process there. They gotta look like Zuck before it go in.
Record that shit looking like this. You ain't Josh.
Got to show what it is.
So what you ready to tell them? It's back outside.
Hopefully.
So you trying to fucking play me, fat boy?
Uh-uh.
Talking about some fucking hopefully. Hopefully.
You gotta open.
You can't? Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Oh, it's got to
So hopefully we finna hear it start up. All we gotta do, end up putting fluids and stuff in there. Got the transmission, the hose and all that, radiator. Put some stuff in it. Finna try to see if we can get some sound out of it. Make sure everything works. Computer system still gotta get back. And then we should be good to go. So we done ran into a little problem. Started leaking gas on us, so now we're trying to figure out why it's turning over, but it ain't turning all the way over. So had to throw it back up on the left, check the fuel line and everything. Like I said, it was leaking gas a little bit, but now we done stopped it from leaking. Stopped from leaking gas up under it. So now we're gonna try to fire back up and see what else we got. Fuel pressure pumping up. Alright, so we'll try this one more time. See what we got. Just brought it back down off the lift. Swap the gas over. Had them crossed up. You see, I think it was like a return. So basically we're sending gas basically back to it. But this time should be right, so we should get something out of it. See what she sound like. Let me turn that shit on. Oh shit. No shit. Well, as y'all can tell, we got a little technical difficulties, so I ain't finna be out here all day. I gotta go to work tonight and try to get back to it either tomorrow or Sunday, one of these 2 days. So y'all see what it is. Trying to get it to work. Yeah.
I did that.
Oh yeah.
Bad sensor somewhere though.
Okay.
We got a sensor bag. See, that's how you got to learn. Like, you see that light red on it?
Uh-huh.
When I put your computer in there, that's gonna tell you when something wrong.
Okay.
When the light's red,
Mm-hmm.
it's something bad.
Something bad.
I mean, not
Well,
bad,
something wrong, but
something wrong.
we need to
Yeah.
get it fixed.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Look at it. Once I hear like the bump and all that shit,
Why you calling Daddy?
I'm good. That's how I know there's something wrong right there.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
It'll run for a minute then.
If I hold the gas, it'll stay running.
Yeah.
But it don't supposed to do that. That's how I know there's something wrong with the cam sensor or something.
Okay.
It ain't the cam, I just put another one in there. It's gotta be something over there, one down there on the side.
Okay.
That's a part of that shit.
All right.
Everything I gotta do to it now.
All right.
I can do it outside.
Alright, so y'all seen what it sound like started up. We got a few problems, few bugs that we got to work out, but I think it's like the cam sensor or the crank sensor. So those are the two things. He end up switching the cam sensor out, so now we think it's the crank sensor. So we end up replacing that, and it should be fine. And then we out to the muffler shop, be able to get those pipes and stuff ran, and the drive shaft should be ready by tomorrow, and then go pick it up. So we almost there, man. You know, it's kind of dark in here, but on my way back to the house, and I just made it more dark. But on my way back to the house, been up all day, gotta go to work in about 2 more hours. I ain't been asleep yet. So y'all pray for me tonight. Catch me in the next video. Alright? Yeah.